I just cleaned up the kitty litter, washed out the boxes, did all that stuff. Nope. 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 You're getting it. No, you're not getting down there. We don't let the cats mix. Okay. Well, yesterday was fun. And today they just left. They've gone off visiting friends of theirs to Mississauga, I think. Let's see if I can get this. Sorry. Anyway, I work on my coffee. I'm watching the juniors play. Right now it's USA versus Switzerland. Before I was watching the crows snacking in the field, but they've all gone. Yesterday there were so many geese, and then there were so many crows, and it's a very busy field. But right now it's absolutely quiet and getting dark. They've probably gone home, you know, because it's getting dark. It's kind of a warm day. It's very nice. I went out when it was sunny. It was really nice this morning, but the rest of the day has been horribly overcast. Once again, like the rest of this month, like the last month has been overcast, overcast, overcast. Yes, Frankie, overcast. Working today on one of my Christmas gifts, cat stacks. It's a puzzle, many puzzles. You have to fit the pieces together. I got the cats, and they got, or Mimi got dog stacks. I got cat stacks, she got dog stacks. For my daughter, from my daughter and her husband. Oh yeah, so today I'm watching the juniors play all day long. And then I'll be watching Jeopardy at 7:30. Watching the juniors play. Canada plays Austria today. Oh, USA scored. USA scored. Yeah, Canada's playing Austria. I'll watch that. I'll watch Jeopardy. And then, whatever. Popcorn, yes. What day is it? Thursday. It's Thursday today. It's so confusing because, you know, Christmas was last week, but then we couldn't have we had our Christmas here, which was kind of cool. It was very nice. But then we couldn't have Christmas with my daughter and the kids because they were sick at the time. So they came yesterday, we had fun. But so this whole week is, you know, confusing because the original plans didn't work out. So days got switched and in my brain, yeah. So Wednesday we had our Christmas, and then this weekend is New Year's. My phone got switched over, so Gord's, the last call, came through quite well. If I hadn't switched it over, it would not have worked. I talked to my sister, talked to Gord. I got an email from my aunt yesterday. Oh, it's really made me cry. An email has never made me cry before. But she recently, in the last year, or the last 2 years, developed Parkinson's. And obviously from her email, she's losing more and more control. And it's so sad. That was not nice. But yeah, so we had a fantastic Christmas. And I ate so much that my stomach hurt. Yeah. everybody ate too much, and we all end up at the end of the evening going, oh, I can't eat anymore. But of course today I can eat. So I washed my socks this morning and they're hanging in the bathroom upstairs. Just cleaned the cat litter boxes. They're drying out downstairs. I feel proud of myself for having done so many things. I have to do laundry this weekend. So probably I'll do that either Saturday or Sunday. Yeah. Having schnitzel tonight. Schnitzel for supper and then popcorn for Jeopardy. And then whatever for later on. I'm just snacking, yeah. Which is why it's good that I got back into walking, because the snacking will show if I don't get back to walking. So, back to walking. When did you ever stop walking? We used so many ice cubes yesterday that the dishwasher is making ice cubes like crazy. Yeah. What are you doing, Frankie? That is my original. Get off. Come on, get off. So it's a Christmas gift. Come on, get off there. It's Arlo's Christmas gift. Get off it. Come on. Off, 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 off. Yes, thank you. Sorry, spinning around. That is my original dual record player, which I gave to my son because he appreciates records. Okay, so no, you just heard my plan for the evening. That is my plan. And if things get boring, I'll start watching. Been watching Three Pines. Three Pines is over for now. If they've got to do next season, because he got shot and he's lying on his back in the middle of a field going, ostensibly dying. No, his partners discovered him and are frantically trying to save his life. I know he lives. I know, the story goes on, but at this point, this is the point where very bad things happen and he has to come out of this. I don't know if the show will be continued. I think so. It's good and people like it, so yeah. Three Pines by Louise Penny. Very good. Is there a round ice rink there or something? Looks cool. Yes, that's it. That's all. What else am I watching? Watching weird things with the kids. Fun Korean stuff, Japanese stuff. And I'm watching The Happy Place or Good Place. I don't know whichever it is. I like all the actors that are in it, but yeah, I also like to know what's going on in the world, and we all have our things. So at this point, we are watching each other's things going, oh yes, okay, I'll tolerate this while we're with each other, but when you're gone, I'm not going to watch this. So they watch their shows, I watch their shows, but when I'm gone, they will not be watching my shows. That's okay. That's okay. Anyway, feeling a little queasy. I wonder if that's from overeating yesterday. I'm not feeling bad. I'm not feeling ill. Just feeling a little off. So many crows. So many crows. Oh, crows like crazy. Over the last week, I have seen crows everywhere. Anyway, off I go.